I'm Kristen from Jewelers Mutual Group, located in Neenah, Wisconsin. At Jewelers Mutual, we insure both commercial jewelry businesses as well as personal jewelry. Everything from engagement rings to watches, necklaces, earrings, and bracelets are all covered, even loose stones while they're being set. While we specialize in protecting your jewelry and the memories it represents, we also like to keep you informed on how to keep each piece clean and safe. The following video offers tips on how to safely clean your ring at home in between professional cleanings and when removing it before certain activities may be best. To learn more about insuring your jewelry with Jewelers Mutual, visit jewelersmutual.com.